Hello students, I am back. Class 5, subject EVS, topic dignity of work. Subtopic people who help us. Yesterday this topic was running, now we will continue with it. People who do our cleaning or pick our garbage are seen as lowly or menial. Normally the people who are doing the cleaning work, we think about that these type of people are lowly, they are of the below category. We don't look at these people as the same as the others. So people who do the cleaning work or picking up the garbage, we think that these people are lowly or menial. These people are not same as the us or the others. This is very unfortunate. This thinking that is in the mind of the people, that is very unfortunate, because these people are doing the good work, they are doing the work which are helping us, but even we are thinking that these people are of low category. Their work is as important as any other. Their work is same importance equally than the other works. If someone doing something better than the others, it is also the same as the people they are doing the cleaning work. Because if the people are not doing the cleanliness, that the whole society will be dirty and it will increase the bad environment. So they are doing the important work same as the others. We know that the sweeper perform the most important duty of cleaning, keeping our neighborhood clean. Sweepers are performing the most important duty, that is the neighborhood's clean. As I told you that if the people are not doing the cleaning work, the whole environment will be dirty, diseases will be spread, insects will be born, so the environment will be totally dirty. So if they are doing the neighborhood clean, that is the most important duty. Many of us have domestic helpers to help our parents with the housework. It is a very common thing. Maximum of us have the domestic helpers. They are doing the help of our parents in our housework. Normally these people are known as the servants, which are doing the work in our household works to help our parents. So these people are helping our work to run the society well, and also the running our house smoothly. So we don't think so these people are of low category, because they are doing the same important work as the others are also doing. So your today homework is learn and write about people who help us in your EVS activity copy. You have to think about that topic. You have to revise all the points which I gave you. So you have to remind it. Then you will write a paragraph on this given topic. Thank you.